want you to stay till I'm in the grave, till I rot away.
Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I did a quick weave, but I did a mold down instead of a braid down. This is the first time that I have done this, but I can tell you that I absolutely love this method and I feel like I will never go back to a braid down. So my first step was to section off my leave out. I like to do 2 braids for my leave out, and right after my leave out is sectioned off, we're going to start using the Style Pro gel to mold our hair into a low ponytail. As you can see, I have a lot of hair. It is on the longer side as well, so I'm doing a low ponytail, and I just put the gel all over my hair and made sure that the ponytail was super sleek. Now I'm gonna start adding gel to the actual ponytail, and as you can see, I folded it right up onto the base of my hair, making sure that everything is smooth. So I did use a lot of gel and I did comb my hair out a lot as well while I was doing this process. So you just want to make sure that your hair is very flat because this is the base. And I did use a lot of gel, like I said. So once you finish with your gel, you want to sit under your hooded dryer, let your hair dry completely before you start to add the morning glory. So my hair underneath the cap is completely dry. Now I'm adding the morning glory all over my head. This is the exact same way that I would have done a quick weave before. Now there's just no braids underneath the cap. So to me, it definitely did lay a lot flatter. The only thing is drying the hair did take a while. So even though it's supposed to be like quicker because you don't have to do the braids, you do still have to dry your hair. And after you dry the gel and then you put the morning glory on, you again have to dry the morning glory. So I would say it took me about an hour to dry everything. So it's kind of up to you if you want to do braids or the gel, because you still have that drying process versus like the braiding process. But when it came to taking the hair out, this is definitely easier than taking out the braids. So once I got my hair wet, it literally slid right off. I didn't have any braids to take out. I just shampooed my hair like normal, which was very nice. So that is why I definitely will be doing this method every single time now instead of doing the braids. And I do feel like my hair laid really flat, so I did enjoy that. Now for my quick weave, like I said, I'm doing a side part. I have many tutorials on my channel about quick weaves. If you need more of a detailed tutorial on how I laid the tracks or anything like that, definitely check out those other videos. I'll have them linked below. But I think my next style is going to be a mold down quick weave, but on a flip over quick weave. So stay tuned for that. But I did end up cutting a lot of layers actually in this hair. So I want to share with you how I did that as well. So 4 layers, I do have more detailed tutorials, which I can link as well. But I always start off at the bottom of my hair. When I'm doing layers, I like to leave a little bit of length. So I start off with that base cut to be like a length cut to make sure that my hair doesn't go shorter. Well, not shorter. Yeah. Well, to make sure that my hair is going to go up, shorter from that base cut. So kind of like leave the length on the bottom so you can have longer hair instead of just chopping everything off. So I did try to do like the flipped up style or like the peacock curls when I cut my sections. So each time I cut my layer, I would curl it as well. And to do the peacock layers, all you have to do is curl upwards. Like I'm doing here. You don't really want to curl like to the side. You want to roll your barrel up. So that's the only thing that I did for this style. Other than that, it was pretty standard of a quick weave, but I absolutely loved how the mold down came out. And for me, it was a lot quicker. So Let me know if you guys are going to try this method down below, what you think. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like it if you like it, of course. Subscribe to my channel, and I cannot wait to see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.